In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Chrome from Internet Explorer. If you're starting with a fresh computer, this is a quick and reliable way to get the Chrome browser installed using the default browser that came with your system. Begin by opening your current web browser. On many new Windows machines, that will be Internet Explorer. In the address bar at the top, carefully type google.com/chrome and press enter. Going directly to this address ensures you're getting the official installer from Google, which is the safest and most up-to-date source. If you see any ads or other download buttons on different sites, ignore them and stick to this page. Once the Chrome landing page loads, look for the blue Download Chrome button and click it. This takes you to the download prompt. In Internet Explorer, you'll usually see a small bar or pop-up near the bottom or center of the screen asking whether you want to run or save the file. Choose Run to start the process immediately. If Windows displays a security or permission prompt, that's normal for installers. Go ahead and confirm by selecting Yes, so the setup can continue. The Chrome installer will launch and begin downloading the necessary files in the background. Keep your internet connection active and avoid closing the installer while it works. Depending on your connection speed, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. You might see a progress bar or status messages as it fetches the latest version, and the window may minimize or move through a few steps on its own. That's expected. Once the download is complete, the installer will automatically finish the setup and open Google Chrome for you. There's nothing extra you need to do here. Chrome will start up on its own and display the welcome page. At this point, you're ready to browse. You can type a website right into the address bar or search for anything you need. If you were previously using another browser, you'll also have options within Chrome later to customize your settings and experience, all from inside the browser itself. And that's it. You've successfully installed Google Chrome directly from Internet Explorer by going to the official site, clicking Download Chrome, choosing Run, and letting the installer do the rest. Now, you have the world's most popular browser ready for your projects. You're all set and ready to go.